Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for AP Chemistry. First, familiarize yourself with the course content and the structure of the exam. This includes knowing the units covered and the types of questions you'll encounter. Next, ensure you have a strong grasp of general chemistry principles before diving into advanced topics. Finally, establish a regular study routine, dedicating specific times each week to chemistry. Consistency is key to building a solid understanding and retaining information over time. To truly master AP Chemistry, active learning is essential. Don't just read. Actively solve problems from your textbook and supplementary materials every day. Make sure to use official College Board practice questions and full-length past exams to simulate the real test environment. These resources provide invaluable insight into question styles and difficulty. Additionally, consider joining or forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others or discussing difficult topics can significantly deepen your own understanding. When tackling the AP Chemistry content, prioritize understanding the why behind the reactions and principles, rather than simply memorizing facts. A deep conceptual grasp will help you apply knowledge to new scenarios. Also, pay close attention to laboratory procedures and how to analyze experimental data, as these are frequently tested. Regularly assess your progress to pinpoint areas where you struggle. Once identified, dedicate extra time to these topics, perhaps by rereading sections or seeking help from your teacher. As the exam approaches, it's crucial to simulate test conditions. Take several full-length practice exams under timed constraints to build stamina and manage your time effectively. Thoroughly review the different types of free response questions and understand the scoring guidelines to maximize your points. Remember, every point counts. And speaking of valuable resources, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth along with other helpful deals. Good luck with your AP Chemistry exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.